Hey everybody, Drew here with Epic Arms and Outdoors. I know it's been a while since I've done any videos. Have been super busy with work. I know that I say that pretty much every time I do a new video, but really have been super busy with work. Recently started a Facebook group for all things donut lovers. We will make a video for that here in the near future, and have just been super busy with both of those endeavors as well as life in general. But with all that being said, today we're going to be going over the Asher Knives Spiro. So this was a, I can't remember if it was late 2020 or early this year, 2021 release from Asher Knives, but it is a pretty sweet blade and have had this for 3 or 4 months now, have been carrying it on and off, just rotating it into the rotation, and wanted to do a quick video on it for you guys. So stay tuned. To start with, we'll talk about Asher Knives a little bit. I have done a couple other videos for their knives, so won't get into the big explanation for the company itself. Long story short, these are made overseas, but they are using high quality parts and producing them overseas and then sending them to the States to Asher Knives, who then fit test everything, each knife individually, make sure all the parts are in good working order, fit and finish is good, and then they sell them to the customers. So got that out of the way really quickly. Let's go over some basic specs on the Spiro. So your open or overall length is right around 7.4 inches. Your handle length is 4.2. You've got a 3.2 inch S35 VN stonewashed drop point blade, and very simple drop point design. You've got the Asher Knives logo on one side and then the S35 VN on the other. You're looking at G10 handle scales with a G10 backspacer, which is kind of this cool grayish blue color. You do have a deep-ish carry reversible pocket clip, tip up only, and it is a liner lock. As far as fit and finish goes, we'll show you the blade centering, which is dang near perfect. And the Spiro, at least mine, did come with 2 different size thumb studs, and I put the larger thumb studs on there. I don't have the smaller ones right in front of me, or I would show you, but I don't know if that is an option on the website or if they just include both with the knife. But there is a general overall look. You are looking at a 0.9 inch thickness on the blade, and then thickness of the handle scales are right at 0.44 inches. As far as the washers go, you're looking at brass cage ceramic bearings, which I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see the brass, but this blade is super duper smooth, drop shut, no issues out of the cage ball bearings there at all. No wiggle back and forth or up and down for your lock. And there's where the lock sits. So that's about it as far as specs. We'll do a quick paper cut test and cardboard cut test and talk a little more. So I have not done anything to the blade as far as sharpening, stropping, anything like that in the, I'm going to say 3.5 months that I've had it. Again, I don't remember if it came out in December or January, but have not done anything to the blade and have obviously swapped it out with multiple knives in the carry rotation. But with all that being said, paper cut test, no issues on the paper here. The heat treat on the Spiro, as well as every other Asher knife that I have, has been good, and I really do like that stone-washed finish. Kind of takes away from any kind of scratches you might get. And then the G10 is smooth, but it's not going to slip out of your hands or anything like that. Let me grab a piece of cardboard for you right quick. No issues with the cardboard either. So there's that. Wanted to kind of do a quick size comparison if we can get all of this stuff out of the way, just to kind of give you a reference. I know specs are one thing, but actually having a couple other knives that you may be more familiar with is a little easier for you. So we've got 4 for you. We've got a Delica, That's a DLT trading exclusive with 20 CV. We've got our Rat Model 2. Got an Elementum here. And the SOG Terminus XR. So just a quick size comparison for you. Basically all these are about the same size. Really just comes down to preference. I will say that premium steel, you're looking at CPM S35VN on the Spyro for 75 bucks retail. And that is straight from Asher Knives. Not sure if they have any distributors as of now, but if I do find anywhere else that carries them, I will include that in the description box below. But anyway, just kind of an overview and some basic specs on the Spyro for you. As always, if you guys have any questions at all, leave those in the comment box. And otherwise, you'll have an awesome day.